All right, class of 2022. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd, and we're going to continue our notes on volume, and particularly this will be regarding pyramids, cones, and spheres. And this will be page 50 in your notes. And you can go ahead and copy down the definition of what a pyramid is, just like the ancient pyramids in Egypt. The technical definition is that the base is a polygon, and then all of the other faces are triangles. So one kind of pyramid you'll see is a triangular pyramid, where the base is a triangle, and then they all go up to one point, and it ends up looking something like that. And then if we had a rectangular prism, the base would be a rectangle, but all of the sides would come up and meet and make triangles for faces. So here we have a triangular pyramid because the base there is triangular. And here we have our rectangular pyramid because the base is rectangular. Again, all of the faces end up being triangles here. Even with the one that's a rectangle base, all the faces are all triangles. All right, so that is our definition of what a pyramid is. Let's go ahead and talk about what a cone is. And just like an ice cream cone, it's a three-dimensional figure with one circular base and a sloped curved side connecting at a point, which ends up looking something like this. So here is our circular base, and there's our cone. Just fill it in the base there so we can see that the base is a circle there. All right. And now we want to talk about finding the volume of these pyramids and cones. Just a friendly reminder about what volume is. That is the amount of space or cubic units inside a three-dimensional shape. And what we're going to do is we're going to give you the formulas for the volume of a pyramid, and then we'll give you the formula for the volume of a sphere. We'll do a couple practice problems. I'm sorry, a cone. And then the last piece is we're actually going to talk about spheres. All right, so the pyramid, the volume of a pyramid or a cone is the same, and it's the area of the base. So the area of the base times the height, and this time they're divided by 3. So volume equals area of the base times the height divided by 3. Volume of a cone, same thing. Find the area of the base, multiply it by the height, and then divide by 3. So let's go ahead and do example A together. We'll do A and B, and then you'll do letter C for homework and have that ready tomorrow. All right, so I need to find the area of the base of this rectangular pyramid, and I know the length and the width is 3 times 3, which is 9, and then I'm going to multiply that by the height of 4, and then I'm going to divide all of that by 3, so I end up getting 36 divided by 3, which is 12 units cubed. All right, same formula, but now we have a cone. So what we want to do is find the area of the base, multiply it by the height, and divide by 3. So in order to find the area of that circle, we need to do pi r squared. The radius is 2, so let's go ahead and calculate that. All right, so since the radius is 2, we're going to square that. That's 4. Multiply that by pi of 3.14. And the area of that circle is 12.56. Then we need to go ahead and multiply that by the height of the cone, which is 3. And then we divide all of it by 3. What we can do here, since we have a 3 and a 3, those actually cross reduce and cancel each other. And this ends up being 12.56 units cubed. Alright, so go ahead and use the formula that we provided for you to do letter C. You have a triangular pyramid. Go ahead, use the formula and find the volume. Alright, after you did that, we actually want to talk about a sphere. And just like a baseball or a basketball or a golf ball, those are all spheres. It's a ball that is perfectly round where the surface at any point is the same distance from the center. And we usually see spheres drawn like that. And then that's showing the inside of the circle there. And then you're always given either the radius or the diameter to work with. So let's go ahead and look at example A. So now we want to find the volume, how much space is inside of these spheres, and we actually have a different formula to give to you. So another formula that we need to memorize is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. Alright, so let's go ahead and copy that down here. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. So here let's fill in 4/3. Let's fill in 3.14 for pi. And then here we're given the radius of 3. 3 to the third power is 27. So now we can go ahead and multiply those dimensions and we'll get the volume of that sphere. Alright, and after you plug that into your calculator, you should get 113.04. Again, we don't have a label here, so this would be units cubed. Alright, so we talked about how to find the volume of a pyramid, how to find the volume of a cone, and how to find the volume of a sphere. We'll check in with you on letter C from earlier and go ahead and do letter B on your own as well. And we'll go over that tomorrow. Alright guys, have a good rest of the night.